like that. All right, guys. Morning. I know I'm very early this morning. I gotta get some. Well, it look like me did I go say breakfast, but a lunch. We're at Nyammins, and the menu look pretty good. Them have oxtail, curry goat, jerk chicken, jerk pasta, jerk chicken pasta, jerk shrimp pasta, curry chicken, brown stew chicken, fried chicken. Wagwan Pali girl. Fried chicken, kalalu, ackee saltfish, stew peas. Wagwan Ben, big up on yourself. Yeah, we're at Nyammins today. Nyammins chicken. Nyammins kitchen. Jesus Christ, I can't pronounce. It's afternoon. Yeah. Me know me early. Me hungry. So we are gonna try and see. Do you have that rocky door? Oh wow. How excited is this? Wow. Oh my god. Guys, I know so much food. That's a lot of food. Hi, hey guys. What's going on, your friends? Plantains, cornbread. Well, right? London. How we doing, guys? No, me not order. Me I go order now. All right, let me show you the menu. You want two of those, and that with the new friends. Okay, they have oxtail, curry goat, jerk chicken pasta, jerk shrimp pasta, brown stew chicken, fried chicken, kalalu rice, and kalalu ackee saltfish, stew peas on a Thursday, jerk work on the weekend. Polly say like of the video. Thank you. Screenshot. Period. Curry shrimp, garlic shrimp, brown stew. Jesus, guys, me confused. I am so excited though. I am so excited. Them not have the pig still because that happened on Thursday. So I think I'm gonna get the curry goat. Me and curry goat. We're gonna get the curry goat. Other people are coming in. It is a lot of options. Hi. Not yet. You can go ahead. I'm still deciding. Oh, we're in the same boat. All right, you can go. I'll go after you. Order, too many options. It is a lot, guys. Yeah, there. Alright. Oh, that sauce looks good. I'm gonna get the sauce. I'm just trying to see what you get. Kalalu. Jeez. Look at the kalalu, guys. That look good.
Okay, and I want another one. Oxtails, white rice, collard greens, mac and cheese.
Oh my God. Screenshot. Wow. Curry goat, rice and peas, cabbage and kalalu. This is a screenshot. Jesus Christ, it's nice. And soursop juice. Fab. Alright, I know what I want now.
Okay, and make that.
I know exactly what I want.
Add another mac on. She want curry chicken, white rice,
I want the curry chicken.
and mac and cheese.
Curry chicken for me. We are gonna do rice and peas, cabbage, and what size curry chicken? And that is a medium, guys. You see that size they want to see a while ago? That's a medium. So I'm excited. Oh my God, I don't know how to act. Jesus Christ. Oh, they have juice too. Look on the juice where them have. They have mango sea moss, strawberry sea moss, watermelon sea moss, carrot, and ginger. I love carrot juice, you know, sorrel, soursop, pineapple ginger, Jamaican fruit cake, sweet potato pound cake, pecan cream cheese pound cake. Ooh, screenshot, right there. So, screenshot, man. The act still look good too now.
You want bread and grease now?
Man, I'm saying,
You want bread and grease?
a little juice off the oxtails on the greens. Them greens so good. Oh my God. Oh, they good.
Thank you, Joshua. Thank you. Okay, guys. So yeah,
Pound cake,
The other oxtails are white rice and grease, right?
white rice, greens.
Okay. The oxtails.
rice and peas, guys. Uno prefer curry with white rice or rice and peas.
Just two.
Them all have peanut porridge. Jesus. Wagwan Simonet, how you doing? We know we early dinner today. Early dinner for enough. I food me know no day I wait for. Let's go. Last food vlog for 2024, and of course we have to close out at another Jamaican restaurant. Been hearing about this one, so we finally got the chance to try it. It is in Lakeland. It's called Nyammins Kitchen and Grill, as you can see. Tasman Wagwan. So we are gonna try it and we are gonna see how we go. Because I'm not telling no lie. The portion it is so much. The portion is so much, guys. But may I get a medium? May I get a medium? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for liking up the live. Thank you guys so much for supporting me throughout, 2024 and just overall. Guys, I appreciate you. Thank you. Guys, see, they have patty up by top. Them have patty, and fried chicken. My God. My mouth run like a river. My mouth run like a river in here. Jesus. Hey, Joe from Houston. See them a share food. Them very busy though. I want to make me day style so long me say me want order. We don't know when none there. But look here, I should have ordered for a long time. Watch the cabbage there. Jesus. Watch nice cabbage. Oh my God. Tasha. All right, Polly. Big up yourself, Polly. Appreciate you so much. Welcome in. Guys, watch good food. Look, man. Curry chicken. No, right now they might change my mind. Look what that curry chicken, they look good. Oh my God, wow. Jesus Christ, I'm confused. We're gonna open a restaurant.
I'm sorry.
Big up yourself. Thank you guys so much for the thumbs up. What we're gonna eat? Okay, so we're gonna have. Yeah, I'm ready. They might ask me already. Like my day and I turn up and look. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna get the curry goat with the rice and peas.
What size? Medium or large?
Medium.
Rice and peas are?
Cabbage.
Ooh, I was crazy.
Cabbage.
I can't even get what size? A large. Okay. With yes. Provision, but with can I have more dumplings? Yeah.
Yeah, they them all have ackee and no, so make up. Guys, them have ackee. Nobody could tell me say them have ackee. Cabbage, they look fresh though. That look good. Yes, Lord. Wow. It's a spirit wagwan.
Ready?
Yes. That's good. Thank you. That's good. Thank you. Jesus Christ. I am so excited.
Nobody ain't trying to get no damn sugar diamonds. No, that
Wow.
other place over there.
Fabulous.
They always tell they be putting too much of sugar in there, brown sugar. I ain't trying to talk down on nobody. Yes, sir. Because they jerk be good, but they oxtails ain't good. Not
I have Kalaluto, guys. Big up yourself, Simonette. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. This is nice. I like this.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I get soursop juice. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
You ordering something too, boss? Or just for her?
Thank you. Thank you so much. Wow.
What kind of thing was
My gosh. Okay. Guys, I am so pray it tastes good. You know, don't. You know, already know for true. That's enough for two people. Easy. A true. It's a lot of food. Alright, I have to get my thumbnails, so look there. One thing. Screenshot, definitely. Simonette is still there. Oh, we got soursop juice.
What size? Medium or large?
No, that's seal a while ago. Oh my gosh, guys. That was so good. This was so nice. Food time, all right, let's try it. Curry goat. Wow. This is so good. Good night, yummy. All right, so the goat curry color, strong, but the flavor, yeah, that me I tell you now, the flavor is there. Almighty. Tasty cabbage. Well, yeah, the cabbage it's steamed, it's not too soft, so when you bite it, you get all that crunch and everything. Finally, a Jamaican spot will actually taste good. I love this. It's like say it put not too oily either. Sometimes when they give a gravy a clear oil. One. I love this part. Wow, wow. Like a ginger, like a piece of ginger. A good thing, catch it. Wow. Okay, so they have kalaloo too. Let's try. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is so good. Not too spicy, even like ital. Straight kalaloo, no mix with nothing. It's not. I love it. I love it. Wow, this was so good. Wow. We're eating curry goat, rice and peas and cabbage. The drink, the drink is soursop juice. The drink is soursop juice, and I'm telling you, guys, the amount of benefits that soursop have, so good. Like it even help with like pressure in the immune system. So good.
The only thing that's constantly is the food. But people, sometimes someone might come and buy 6 pieces of cake. So by the time you bring it out, it's gone.
Yeah, it is nice.
So the drinks, constant. The cakes,
Love the juice. Natural soursop juice. And the thing about it is it's not sweet. Sometimes when people make natural juice, they put a lot of sugar to sweeten it. So this, the thickness is good. It's not too watered. Them not watered down, so you know say all of the benefits in it. Wagwan. We're at Nyammins Kitchen and Grill. That's in Lakeland. High vibration. What? I'm not gonna lie with the curry. Them angle this. Where this restaurant is, it's at Lakeland in Florida. Nyammins Kitchen and Grill. So good. Everything about it. Look, and the pimento seed. You know, from me have the pimento seed, you know, guys, them win. Them win. Now it have a whole of this. You did. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it. Aww. All right, big up Ben. Big still for dinner. That's nice. Come down now. Oh my God. As I'm telling you, this is so good. I'm eating curry goat with rice and peas, cabbage, callaloo, soursop juice. 10. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much for liking the live. I love it. Look, you see the ginger? They like them crush the ginger and cook it in the curry goat. You know the flavor turn up. Good to me never make mistake and eat this and think of curry. I love this, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so spice. The more me eat it, the more me I taste the pepper, the spices. But it manageable. You see, come next year, my nose will start run. God Almighty. Jermaine, Wagwan. Hit that sucker. Thank you. WJ. Wow, I appreciate the likes. This nice. This nice. Give us some Jamaica to the world. Yeah. What the restaurant name? Nyammins Kitchen and Grill. It's in Lakeland, Florida.
You can't get a long school feet.
Guys, I have to make sure say me eat before the food cool. We're from Jamaica. And happy holidays to everyone. Season greetings. So good. You're from France? Ooh. I think last week we had somebody from France watching. I think so. Thank you, thank you. What's on my plate? I have curry goat. Yeah. Next month will be 2 years since I have my dreads. I'm not responsible for the music. From Ethiopia, okay. We are traveling. Edmonton, okay. That's cool. Months. That's good. That's a good time. You should have some hang time. Yeah, my hair is all natural. I don't have any there wasn't any, what do you call that? Starter locks or not like that. Yeah. I do have a story time on my dreads, my lock care and everything, so how it get to this length, so you can check that out. You know, you can subscribe and check it out. It's on my channel. We're all taking fire. India. Big up, big up. I don't know, Bobby. I don't know. They give me a lot of goat, guys. Yeah, I was about to say that. The amount of meat they give me, their locks is not good. I love when they're natural. The food is busting. Hear me? Busting. I'm a musician. Me? That's funny. No. No. I'm a Jamaican, yes. But am I eating curry goat? And cabbage, steamed cabbage. I'm in Jamaica. Well, I'm from Jamaica, but this is Florida. Thank you, soldier. We're at Nyammins Kitchen and Grill. We go from 80. Oh, you're making Guinness. Oh, yo, I love Guinness. I love Guinness. It's been a while since I had Guinness though. It tastes really good, Lopez. It's been a while. Sorry, what? I don't look like a Jamaican. Hello, babe. It's been a while since I've tried Jamaican food from here, and it actually tastes good. I've been disappointed so many times, and because of that, we even stopped at Jamaican restaurants. No, I'm not a Rasta, guys. Big up yourself, Mitchell. I even stopped at a Jamaican restaurant over here because every time I'm so disappointed.
No, because I'm gonna send you a payment.
Star apple. Oh, I love star apple.
What's your name, man?
No, I don't smoke. Yes, it is soursop juice. So natural. Thank you.
It's 863-595-7224.
Oh, you're a Jamaican?
The payment link. You should get it in like 5 seconds.
Smart for 6-year-old. Welcome to the US. I've been here for a long time, almost 7 years. One tank. Yes, yes. Have you ever tried soursop leaf tea? Have you ever tried soursop leaf tea? It's not there, Tasha. It's not there. It's not there, yeah man. Limit. Yeah, I took it off. See, bon appetit. I am now Dominican Republic, Jamaican. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What it tastes like. Okay, so thank you, Ride. Thank you. What it tastes like. Okay, so curry goat, what curry goat tastes like? Jesus Christ. So you're talking about the curry goat or the soursop? Which one? Thank you, Darko. You should visit one day. You should visit one day. You would love it. Oh, the soursop. Okay, so it's kind of milky. Okay, have you ever had cream of wheat porridge? God, the explanation here got on ill. The texture. No, okay, so the texture is like a homemade. Let me explain this. Homemade orange juice, yeah. Is it a pasta? Oh my, no, not a pasta. To me, it tastes kind of creamy. It is not. It have a more thick base. Yes, very smooth. It is soursop, a superfood. Superfood. So good for you. And they just take off the green skin off it. And then the meat, they just squeeze it and drink the juice from it. So that's it. That's it. Drink the juice as it is. Yeah, you just put it in the fridge to cool and good. Ever been to Grenada? No. What they have in Grenada? They got good food. You resemble coffee. Stop it. I don't resemble coffee. Oh no, I have to go down, you know. Wow. This, you see you? You talk about coffee and now coffee song I play on the radio. Oh no, I have to go down today. Oh no, I have to go down. Why not do that? Why not do that? I'm done.
You can't compete, no.
I'm done. I have a New Jersey accent. Easy, limit. I don't resemble coffee at all. Guys, do I resemble coffee? Anybody in the chat? Let me know. Oh no, I'm the limit. Oh, they have oil in Grenada. Okay. Real Rasta accent. Pick up yourself, walk man. And my favorite food, I love curry goat. I love curry goat. When I start off is a new day, might get caught up in a new way. Yeah, I love that song. I love Lakeland, we should sing. Jamaican have any boiling lakes? Ooh. I think we do have me can't sing. Don't make me fool you. I cannot sing. No. You should be a singer. Oh no, have to go down, you know. A mix between coffee and kaisen. Isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, mama, like cabbage, white rice, carrot, peas. Ooh. Guys, I boom this down. Soldier, which part you come from? Where are you from, Soldier? I thought you were Jamaican as well. Chat going fast. I did the same. Yes, I said I took it off. I took off the thing. Am I the only one who likes hard food in soup? I love food in soup, especially we did try that soup from Dominica, salt beef soup. You know, never stop talk everything me say. Scary. Kai Sinet is not from Jamaica. Who said that? What are you eating? I'm eating curry goat. Right. Big up Coggins. Big up Timas. Jesus Christ. I can't cook curry goat. I don't know how to cook curry goat. Soursop juice. It is so good and healthy for you. He is from Jamaica. No, guys, come on. We need to do some research now. I'm fried no matter what. He is not from Jamaica, okay? Who have two phone? Who have two phone? Look it up. Wings. Richards, sure. There it is. Coming on when we get here. When did we get here? He's from Jamaica. Yes, I am. Hey, say, big up. Go to my channel and you can figure it out. Yes. And watch my videos. Thank you. I'm asking, I don't know. Jesus Christ. Thank you, Martin. Are you entertained? Alright, my soon done in a car. I bring one more side coat because I done the rice. Your son from Nigeria? Where your son from? Oh, jollof rice. Who having jollof rice on a Sunday? You're going to Jamaica soon? Which part of Jamaica are you going? So let me tell you what they have in that area. Oh, that's good, Martin. You can't eat all of it. I can't my rice done. I can't my rice done. So when I go, I have to go cook some more rice to go with this. Montego Bay. Ooh. Montego Bay, alright. This afternoon I've not Namibia. Stay at the resort, okay? Then I'm not Namibia. You have to go. You have to go. Guys, what do they have to do in Montego Bay in Jamaica? Strawberry would like some help. Oh my god. Thank you, Martin. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And thank you for thumbsing up my live. Are you going to Freedom Street concert? That's a very good question. Nobody never seen me. Yes, island people eat their food outside of the last night. We cook many cuisines here. Okay, go to the river probably. No concert? Okay. No funny. 60 likes. Thank you. Thank you for the likes. Oxtail $35 a pound in 2025. Wow. You want to have a nice night out? Okay. Well, I hope you're willing to travel because, to be honest, I really don't know the Montego Bay area like that. The Eden Water, I think it's Luminous Lagoon, and I think it's St. Thomas. Don't listen, yeah. Oxtail takes like 5 hours to cook. You don't have the patience. Why? And you have to have a good pot. You want a pressure cooker. I just want to dance. Oxtail take time. Make sure safe not cook oxtail must start from early. Start from early. Actually, don't miss it up. Guys, my name have to like rice. Let me not on the rice. Like, I'll be your meat left. Guys, one day I can beg them to come more. Strawberry, like really that try to help, but we don't know mobile. Not the mobile, like it just stay at the resort and airport, yeah. What's the most technical food you ever try cooking? Martin, you know, say you have to go down. Well, I did try curry goat one time. It never did turn out well. It become like a stew. They go like me cook it out too much. They cook out it too much. It come like, you know, they have pulled pork. I say it will come like pulled goat. Right now, I say goat are tough, but the goat never tough at all. I know about a pussy. I just call it a day. She might kill me. curry chickpeas. I never had that. I would try it though. Save the meat for last one day. Yes, yes. Then we are saving meat for last. Oh, you saw the turkey neck? Martin, you've been keeping up with the channel. I can cook everything except fried dumpling. You said what? I can help with that, Prince. I can help with that. I have a fried dumpling like tutorial video on my channel. It's funny how you mentioned that because I'm like, what? You don't say. Still should still post it. That was like years ago. That was like maybe 3 years ago. Where are you now? I'm in Florida now. You have a restaurant? Jesus. Well, hopefully in the future we're trying to get a food truck. Yeah, you guys think we should get a food truck? Would you guys come and visit, and support the truck? And I want them to say, oh, I've been on your YouTube channel, so you can give me free food. No. No. I don't want to hear that. Yes, I'm married, Billy. Big up Florida. We're in Florida. Orlando. Have you ever tried to cook Asian food? I just cook what I know. I cook what I know, I cook what I like. So I don't say it tastes good. Definitely. Thank you, Katie. I will say, oh, thank you. I love wigs. I'm just saying, yeah. So if you not come there to get stew peas, there won't be no stew peas. Thank you for acknowledging that, E.T. Me not even did see that the comment. So now move on. You should try it. What should I try? Thank you, Wigs. Oh my God. Look, let me tell you something. You see different cultures. Like if me if go to China or some other place, I'm sure I'll be eating a lot of different things that I wouldn't imagine. You know what I mean? It all depends on how you're raised. Are you a vegetarian? And you're not good, so look in front of me. And you're not good, so I have barbecue place.
What color is your barbecue sauce?
But what color is your barbecue sauce? Save the drink, right? So I have Asian food. Your birthday's today. Happy birthday. Me a dear. Jesus Christ. Me a dear. Happy birthday. Pick up yourself. Have a blessed one. Well, we love it. Jesus Christ. Cockroach. I not even like smell cockroach, yo. But I never see the play, alright, and if you season anything well, it tastes good. That is true. You have a point. Wigs, you can cook. We don't know everybody act like everybody think you can cook over here. Why is the dark sauce? Why the dark sauce, red sauce? I make it myself. Okay. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie? Wow, that's crazy. Do I have a favorite movie? I like the movie Just Right. I like Notebook. I like Titanic. Probably I like sad movie them and them so they like love movie. I don't know. Flame some Scotch bonnet and time season it up. That is it. And unlimited. Mine saving Private Ryan. Oh, coming to Jamaica soon. Okay. Best places to eat. Which part of Jamaica? And don't tell me Montego Bay. He said his sauce is red dark sauce and honey sauce. Where are you? We're in Florida. Portland. Yes, Portland is the way to go. There's a lot of hidden gems in Portland. I've never been there, but all the places, if you even want to go up on the rafting, where you see them a raft, you can do that too. A lot of people on the roadside that sell fresh fruits and stuff. Big up yourself, Bob. Your family come from Portland. You just so thank you, guys. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for the likes. Thank you for thumbsing up the live. I appreciate it. How far is Portland from Montego Bay? What strawberry? What strawberry? Strawberry determined, you know. Craig, big up yourself. It is black. Yes, Mar, this was nice. Craig, it's been a while. Big up yourself. Your picky Jean. Jamaican food right through to the world. To the world. Big up yourself, Craig. Thank you for passing through. Season greetings to everyone. Big up on yourself. Never head out now, because I have some more things to do today. But you guys, you have all been great. You know, this was fun. I live in the United States. You want to move to Jamaica to raise your daughter. She need it. She will learn. She will learn. Then grow up for Jamaica. You have to listen. And you're raised by a village. Your videos make me feel as if I'm finished with my cooking rather than cooking. Yo, go and start cooking right now. Thank you, Jermaine. I appreciate it. King, big up yourself. Greetings. Bye. Bye, Ben. Bye, Jean. Thank you. It was nice eating with you. Thank you. It's for hanging out. But it's seductive. You're always lately, man. I left, you know. I left right now. I left. On the stairs, I am leaving. Why the soursop juice was so good. Came late. Guys, I will be posting the live replay so you can watch it if you don't miss anything. If you don't miss anything, you can watch my live replay, yeah? Hola. I got 10 subs in 1 hour. Thank you. Thank you, guys. We heading out. You guys are awesome. Thank you, guys. Happy New Year's in advance when it comes. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Right through. This was fun. You guys are the best. Always. Thank you so much for your support in 2024. Thank you so much for your support in 2024. Big up on yourself. And happy holidays. Be safe. Bye.